Here's some nature conservation trivia. Subscribe. What organization was founded in 1948 to promote wildlife conservation? Is it A, National Park Service, B, World Wildlife Fund, C, Greenpeace, or D, Wildlife Alliance? The correct answer is B, World Wildlife Fund. Which federal agency manages national wildlife refuges in the U.S.? Is it A, National Park Service, B, Bureau of Land Management, C, U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service, or D, Environmental Protection Agency? The correct answer is C, U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service. In what country is the Great Barrier Reef located? Is it A, Belize, B, Australia, C, Brazil, or D, Maldives? The correct answer is B, Australia. Which marine mammal is known for its intelligence and social behavior? Is it A, sea lion, B, whale, C, dolphin, or D, seal? The correct answer is C, dolphin. What term refers to the removal of trees from forests? Is it A, reforestation, B, deforestation, C, afforestation, or D, tree planting? The correct answer is B, deforestation. Which international agreement aims to combat climate change? Is it A, Rio Declaration, B, Paris Agreement, C, Kyoto Protocol, or D, Montreal Protocol? The correct answer is B, Paris Agreement. Which biome is characterized by low rainfall and sparse vegetation? Is it A, forest, B, desert, C, grassland, or D, tundra? The correct answer is B, desert. What process involves restoring damaged ecosystems? Is it A, ecological restoration, B, urban development, C, land reclamation, or D, rehabilitation therapy? The correct answer is A, ecological restoration. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.